Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about PHP Frameworks Overview. PHP frameworks are essential tools for developers to accelerate the creation of robust and secure web applications through predefined structures and libraries. By incorporating best practices and reusable components, frameworks streamline the development process. Examples of commonly used PHP frameworks are Laravel, Symfony, CodeIgniter, and YI. These frameworks enhance productivity and enable developers to focus on implementing business logic rather than reinventing the wheel. Frameworks accelerate development by offering pre-built features, reducing the need for extensive coding. They facilitate scalability with a structured approach, enabling easy expansion of applications. Moreover, frameworks enforce coding standards, enhancing code cleanliness and maintainability. For instance, Laravel, a PHP framework, streamlines development with its pre-built authentication system, aiding quicker application deployment. As applications grow in complexity, framework-based development ensures a solid foundation for seamless scalability, such as in the case of Django, a Python web framework that simplifies handling large amounts of data. The adherence to coding standards in frameworks like React.js ensures well-organized code, fostering long-term maintainability and extensibility. Laravel is a widely used PHP framework, esteemed for its clean syntax and robust capabilities. Within Laravel, developers can employ the pre-built authentication system to expediently establish user registration and login mechanisms. To initiate this in Laravel, developers can utilize the command php artisan make auth. Symfony is a powerful PHP framework designed for creating extensive enterprise-level applications. Doctrine ORM is a feature in Symfony that facilitates the mapping of PHP objects to database tables. By employing Symfony's command line tool, developers can generate boilerplate code efficiently. Utilizing the command php bin console make entity in Symfony, developers can quickly scaffold PHP entity classes that correspond to database tables, streamlining the development process and promoting code reusability. Think of PHP frameworks as a set of building blocks for constructing a house. Just like how you wouldn't want to build a house from scratch every time you need one, using a framework saves you time and effort in creating a website. Frameworks provide a solid foundation and structure for your code, making it easier to manage and maintain. By using a framework, you can focus on adding the finishing touches and customization to make your website unique, rather than starting from the ground up. Hey, code conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance, coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The PHP code provided offers a comprehensive overview of using PHP frameworks for web development, likening them to the building blocks for constructing a house. The analogy emphasizes how frameworks save time and effort by providing a structured foundation for web projects. In the code, the concept of selecting a PHP framework that aligns with project requirements is compared to choosing the right building blocks for a house. Setting up the foundation in a framework involves configuring settings, database connections, and routes, akin to laying the groundwork for a house. Building the structure of a website with features like models, controllers, and views mirrors constructing the physical structure of a house. Customizing the website's appearance and functionality is akin to adding unique design elements to make a house stand out. Testing and launching the website are vital steps before making it public, similar to inspecting and preparing a house before welcoming visitors. Maintenance and updates in web development correspond to conducting repairs and updates to keep a house in good condition. The second segment focuses on a PHP Frameworks Overview. Laravel is highlighted for its syntax, MVC pattern, and built-in features like routing and authentication. Symfony's robustness, configurability, and adherence to best practices make it suitable for large-scale projects. CodeIgniter's emphasis on performance, simplicity, and quick setup is ideal for small to medium-sized projects. Zend Framework's enterprise readiness, extensibility, and adherence to standards make it suitable for complex web applications. The narrative outlines the strengths and suitable use cases for each framework, emphasizing that the choice depends on project needs, team capabilities, and scalability requirements. Overall, the code serves as a detailed guide for understanding and choosing PHP frameworks for web development. An industrial application of PHP frameworks can be seen in e-commerce platforms. For example, a company wanting to develop a scalable and secure e-commerce website can utilize Laravel for its rich feature set, including routing, authentication, and testing. By following the MVC architecture, Laravel allows developers to efficiently structure the codebase and focus on enhancing user experience and business logic rather than reinventing the wheel. Another real-world example can be observed in the development of content management systems, CMS, using Symfony. Symfony's configurability and adherence to best practices make it a suitable choice for building complex and customizable CMS solutions. By leveraging components like dependency injection and event-driven architecture, developers can create robust and tailored CMS platforms that meet specific business requirements and scale effectively. In conclusion, PHP frameworks such as Laravel and Symfony offer powerful tools and capabilities for developing diverse web applications, enabling companies to streamline development processes, enhance security, and deliver optimized user experiences. Across the globe, businesses are leveraging PHP frameworks to build innovative solutions that cater to modern digital demands and ensure long-term success in the competitive online landscape. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.